Introducing to you the app bowl. This bowl is completely biomaterial, made of apples, paper, glycerin, vinegar, water, and flour. Let me take you through the process of making this product. For this project, we were required to research and develop a biomaterial to solve materials and product manufacturing problems. I started off my project by experimenting with different organic materials to see how each and every material behave, react, etc. To experiment, I used things that I had in my house and those that I found around me. I used things such as spaghetti, banana skins, paper, onions, corn, green pepper, dead leaves, soil, etc. Most of this material came out pretty good in terms of the binder or the mixture that I made. Material 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, I used water, sugar, cooking oil. Material 4 and 6, I used water and milk. And material 8 through 12, I used glycerin, flour, vinegar, and water. So these are the main materials I used. From 1, it's banana skins. Then we have paper and onions. Then we're having paper, onions, and eggshells. Cornflakes, we have green pepper, we have soil and paper, spaghetti, eggshells, dead leaves, banana peels again, apples, and then instant porridge. After I was done experimenting with these materials, I then researched and identified a problem, or rather an opportunity, with the styrofoam food packaging or products. These products have negative impact on our environment. They are non-biodegradable, they pollute air and produce liquid and solid toxic waste, and contain hydrofluorocarbons which impact the ozone layer and climate change. So I realized that this is an opportunity to design and develop a sustainable, low-cost food packaging or container which will be used instead of these products to reduce waste and pollution on our environment. For the inspiration, I firstly looked at containers that people use at their homes to either eat or drink from, to get the sense of what people are interested in or what is interesting in terms of color, size, texture, etc. I then looked at existing biomaterial packaging or containers to see what is possible with biomaterials, as well as other environmental friendly products, to see how they look, work, and how are they designed. Lastly, I looked at different ways to manipulate materials, specifically looking at ways in which I can manipulate the material without the use of heavy machines. After the inspiration, I then started concept ideation, where I explored different forms, size of containers. From my concept exploration, I then developed concept 1 container, of which it was almost like 2 squares, one on top of the other. I then took this concept and refined it, where I changed the shape or the form of the product. Then mock-ups were made in order to understand the form in real life, as well as the scale of the product. Before I manufacture my product, I took it to CAD. How can you make this at your home? Here are the ingredients. You need paper, but make sure it is an environmental friendly paper, the one that you can recycle. 4 apples, 5 spoons of vinegar, 5 spoons of glycerin, half cup of flour, and 2 cups of water. You need stove, you need pots, also need something to stir your materials while they are cooking, and you cook for like 3 to 5 minutes depending on which heat or your stove is at. And when you are done with this material, make sure that you roll it flat, make your material a sheet,